Now, I'd like to introduce you our last product tonight, Woodpecker dental X-ray device, the ARray. ARray adopts high-frequency DC high-voltage generator with X-ray tube voltage of 70 kV, X-ray tube current of 3 mA, and the emission power up to 210 watts. The transmission power is more than 29% higher than other competitors, and it's a portable dental X-ray device with the highest transmission power. Thanks to the 0.4 mm small X-ray tube, the required exposure time is shorter and the image is clear. The whole machine is digitally controlled, and the X-ray output is accurate and stable. Compared with the traditional industrial frequency AC system, ARray has higher performance as a high-frequency DC machine. It can be seen from the waveform diagram, and the high-frequency machine shows a more stable X-ray emission, shorter exposure time under same conditions, and less rays absorbed by human body. When the high-frequency DC machine is exposing, there will be nearly no soft rays or scattered rays, and the harm to patients and dental staff is also greatly reduced. Therefore, in terms of safety and imaging quality, the high-frequency DC machine will be your best choice. The new ARray abandons the traditional physical buttons, but carries a 2.8-inch touchscreen with a clear display. We also beautifies the machine's appearance. Its power switch is reasonably designed and easy to operate. It adopts ergonomic design so the holding feeling is better, avoiding instability due to swaying, greatly easing the user's operation. For different tooth positions, we have made the corresponding reference values of photographing angle. During the photography, keep the patient in a correct sitting position and adjust the dental X-ray machine to obtain the best photographing angle and improve the efficiency. ARray features unique internal cable design and lead shield to maximize the protection of operators and patients from radiation. Built-in remote control receiving circuit and hold interface can be adapted to the wheeled remote controller and triangle holder. There are a variety of photographing methods available, contributing to safe photographing and more free operation. ARray is equipped with 15,000 mAh high-capacity power lithium battery, delivering a longer endurance. More than 1,500 dental films can be taken under full charge. It enables quick charging. The machine can be used after 5 minutes of charging after running out of power. More than 110 dental films can be taken after 5 minutes of charging. This is Woodpecker Portable Dental X-ray Device ARray, the #1 product of our giveaway on Facebook. So, here we conclude the spring new product launch. Thank you.